Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. So guys, Samsung is bringing a 3D icon in upcoming One UI 8.5 update. And I saw that icons in my previous videos also. And guys, it looks so much better than this regular icons. In this video, I will show you how you can get that One UI 8.5 3D icons in all Android phones, including the older phones. But before starting the video, I noticed that you guys watch my video but haven't subscribed to my channel. Why guys? Why? Because I'm a small YouTuber. I have been doing hard work since like years and years now, but still stuck to 3K subs. If you have a Samsung phone, subscribe to this small creator and help this small creator to grow also. So without further delay, now let's get started the video. So guys, these are the 3D icons. As you can see, the 3D effects in icons outlines. Okay, let me give you the closer look. So you can clearly see the 3D effects in icons outlines, and these are some system icons. You can see the calculator 3D effects and the clock calendar. You can clearly see it's 3D, right? Let me show you some Google's icons like Google Chrome, Gmail. You can see the 3D effects is there in icons outlines. So first I will show you how to get this on Samsung phones. Then afterwards I will show how to get this on all Android phones. All right. Now let me show you how to get this One UI 8.5 3D icons on your Samsung phones. As you can see currently my icons are normal. There is no 3D effects in my icons. So to get this, first what you have to do is click on Good Lock, open Good Lock. After that click on plugins over here and you have to open a theme park. Okay. Click on theme park and now go to icons over here. After going here, now just go back to home screen and open a Google Play Store and click on search. Over here you have to type this. I'm pasting here. Okay, you have to type this. Okay, after typing this, just click on search. Then you will see some icon packs. You have to click on HyperOS or any of them icon packs. Then after that you have to click on the blue text Apex Studio. Okay, just click on that. Then here you may find, okay, or you can click on this arrow. You will see all the apps from this studio. Then you have to install this one. Okay, I did all this because if you just search One UI 8.5 icons, you will not find this icon packs. I don't know why, because it's new, it's not that popular. That's why I did all of this. Okay, after installing this icon pack, now just go back to theme park by multitasking. Through multitasking, then click on create new, and over here click on icons, and you will find the icon pack over here. Just click on this and it will start creating the icon pack. Icon pack has been created. Now just click on over here and give it a name. I will give it One UI 8.5. Okay, 85. Okay, like now click on OK. Now again it will start saving this icon packs. All right, saving is done. Now let me apply this. Before applying, let me show you the my current icons. You can see there is no 3D effects, right? It's normal. Okay, now let me apply the 3D ones. Let me click on over here and let me click on apply. Now we have to wait for a few more seconds. Okay, it's done. Now let me go back to home screen. Now as you can see the 3D effect in icon pack. Okay, I don't know you can see in this video because my camera quality is not that great. I'm recording from Samsung S10 plus. I don't have other phones or good camera to record videos. But yeah, you can clearly see the 3D effects in icons. All of the icons, not just stock icons. Okay, you can see the 3D effects in all icons. Okay, especially you can see in YouTube, music, etc, etc. You may not notice that much 3D effect in this video because of the video quality, as I told you, but if you install by yourself in your phones, you will definitely see the 3D icons effect. Okay, even in lock screen you may notice that the icons are now in 3D. So guys, this is how you can get One UI 8.5 icon packs on your Samsung phones. All right, to apply on non-Samsung phones like OnePlus or Vivo, Oppo, etc, you just have to install the third-party launcher, then apply this icon pack. Or if your default launcher support icon pack, then you can do this just like this. Okay, and at last I just want to be fair with you guys. This icon pack is not free. Obviously it costs around $1 in other countries, and in India it costs around, I think, 130 or 150. Okay, but I bought this icon pack in just 30 rupees. You can apply the coupons, etc, etc, and also you know the other tricks. All right guys, if you like this video, please give a like, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and support. Thank you very much for watching guys. Have a great day. Meet you in my next video. Take care.